If you are looking to level up your content creation game without breaking the bank, you are in the right place. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into 3 best tools that can boost your content creation. First up, we have ChatGPT. This AI-powered tool is perfect for generating creative ideas, writing blog posts, or even answering questions. Just give it a topic and it generates high-quality content in seconds. It's like having a personal writer at your fingertips. Next, we have Canva. This tool uses AI to help you design stunning graphics effortlessly. With thousands of templates and easy-to-use features, it's perfect for creating social media posts, presentations, and more. Finally, we have Lumen 5. This tool transforms your blog posts or articles into engaging videos using AI. It's perfect for repurposing content and reaching a wider audience on platforms like YouTube or Instagram. That's it for today. These free AI tools can transform your content creation process, making it more efficient and creative. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.